Hey guys, we just arrived to one of the best restaurants in our city. Let's see if it's actually that good.
Hey guys, I'm Kyle. Were you guys here to order some food?
Yeah, we're here to get some food.
Our menu is right here just in case you want to order anything.
I'll take a hot dog and a soda. I'll take a mashed potatoes, please.
I'll have some chicken, strawberry milk, and cake. I'm going to start by making Barbie's order. Barbie ordered a hot dog, so I'm going to get the hot dog bun. Now I'm going to grab the hot dog and I'm going to fry it. I think the hot dogs are now done. Now it's time to make the soda. Barbie's meal is ready. Barbie, your food is ready.
Ooh, I can't wait to try this. It looks so good. Let's start with the hot dog. That's actually really good. Now let's wash it down with the soda. Give this meal a 9 out of 10. It's really good. Next is my order. I'm starving.
Now for Stacy's mashed potatoes. First, let's wash the potato. First, let's skim the potato. Now Stacy's mashed potatoes are ready. Here's your meal.
Alright, now let's try it. That's so good. I love it. I rate it a 7.5.
How do you rate 7.5?
I don't think they're smashed enough, but they taste amazing. Oh, can you make my food? I'm really hungry. Oh, Stacy, can I have a bite? Jeez, you're really hungry. Sure, but don't eat it all. Oh, that was really good. Thanks, Stacy. No problem. You ate it all!
Okay, now I'll make Ken's food. He ordered a chicken, strawberry milk, and a cake. So let's start with the chicken. Chicken's ready. Let's grab the cake. Last but not least, the strawberry milk. Now let's serve Ken's meal.
I've been waiting all day for this. Let's try the dessert first, obviously. 10 out of 10 meal. Great, great, great. Oh, for the chicken drumstick. Oh, so good. 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, best meal of my life. Let's go. Ken, looks like you like the food a little too much. It was so good. Thank you so much for the food. I think we're gonna head out now.
Okay, next customer.
I actually need some clothes to be washed.
Don't worry, I got you. All right, let's start. Now it's dry. Ma'am, your clothes are ready.
Oh, thank you. Great service. Bye.
Thank you for watching me open my new kitchen and my washing machine. Bye.